Michael Gray here from socialnetworkassist.com, and I wanted to talk about Facebook lists today. Recently, Facebook, with the rollout of Timeline, has changed that label. Now it's labeled Friends, where it used to be labeled Lists. If you come down and you click on that, it will populate, and up top you'll see all of these lists that have the varying different type of logos. Those are all smart lists. So from here up are all automatically created lists that Facebook creates from what I said I've done and where I went to school on my profile. All of these below that are lists that I created, and I help put people into different lists so that I can post specifically to groups, or I can click on any of these lists. For instance, the smart group here, I can click on that, and everyone that I've added to the smart list, I will now see a news feed that only includes those folks. So very quickly I can monitor work contacts or a friends list that is a smaller group, and I can see what everybody's doing without having to go through everyone who is my friend on Facebook. So one of the tips that you can use on your lists, let's go back to my lists, is add them to a favorite. So I can come here and click on this little pin and click on add to favorites, and we'll go up and see here now this list is right here in my favorites. You can also remove something from your favorites by coming right here and clicking the pin, and I can take this group and remove it from my favorites, or I can also rearrange my favorites. So let's go to this list for instance again. If I found somebody that recently added to that list, I can come right here and type their name if they're a friend, and I'll be able to quickly add them to the list. Another thing that you can do is, for instance, this list is a list of business pages, and you can see here all the different business pages. I can begin typing any page here that I have liked and add them to the list, or I could add individuals to that list as well. So again, that's just some of the brief tips and tricks to using lists. We'll create another video that will show you how to create posts and post specifically to different lists.